Hello and welcome again to Agata's Kitchen. Today we will be doing keto pancakes. So we will be reviewing them for you at the end, and it's just a few ingredients that we really need. So I'm going to show you what they are, and let's do this keto pancakes. I'm very excited. Keep watching.
We will need almond flour, eggs, cream cheese, sweetener of your choice. We're going to use erythritol with stevia, baking powder, guar gum, which is optional, and a little bit of cinnamon. For frying, you can choose between butter and coconut oil. Now we're gonna mix it all together. You will notice that your pancake mix is very liquidy, but that's not a problem. You still should fry it as normal. Try not to fry bigger pancakes that are around 10-12 centimeters in diameter, and if you want, you can add guar gum or xanthan gum and a little bit of baking powder, but you really don't have to. Now we're gonna make a berry jam, so I'm just putting some frozen berries together with a little bit of sweetener of your choice, and we're gonna cook it until it looks like jam.
So, guys and girls, here we have it.
Keto pancakes.
Yes. So, as usual, we're going to go with texture, then taste, and then of course, can you actually call this a alternative to a real pancake?
Yes.
Okay.
Shall we try them? Because we have also a little berry jam. I think for texture we should try them themselves. What do you reckon?
Yes.
You know what? I'm going with hands.
You're going to go with hands, are you?
That's how it looks
Okay. So, kind of, does look like, it does look like a pancake, I think.
First observation texture-wise. What do you think? It's soft, it's not crunchy at all.
Sorry, I have not even checked the ingredients on this. Is this potato?
No.
Oh, okay. Cool.
It's almond flour, cream cheese, and eggs, basically.
Okay.
I think you can tell that it's eggs.
Again, yes, you can tell. Obviously, the majority of the ingredient is eggs.
But what do you think about texture? It's not crispy. How much would you give it out of 5?
Which is quite like the American pancakes.
It's something in between. It's not crepe, it's not American pancake because it's too thin for American. It's too thick for crepe.
Let's give this a go. So, is this keto?
Yes. But tell me this. Texture-wise, out of 5, how much would you give it?
Texture-wise, I'd say 4.
I would say 3. It's not crunchy. Now, taste. We're already eating. I'm putting some of my berry jam, so it's basically just berry and erythritol.
Okay.
It says stevia on the top.
Taste-wise, on its own,
Yeah.
it's a little bit bland.
Yeah.
But with the topping, it does sweeten up a little bit. So,
How much?
what you mean out of the score?
Yeah.
I go with 4.
I would go with the 4 as well. Actually, 4.5.
Oh, okay. No, I'm going to stick with the 4.
You can add how much sweetener you want to the taste. I also try to fry them both on butter and on coconut oil, so that will change taste a little bit as well. So you can add different stuff inside. You can add vanilla, you can add more sugar, sweetener, or you can add cinnamon. We have slightly bit of cinnamon as well.
Okay.
All right. And is it a pancake?
It's not a pancake.
I would say it is.
Well, actually, no. It is a very good close alternative to a pancake. I've
Same.
changed my mind.
Same.
It's very close.
But because we have a yes or no answer, I think I'm gonna go with the yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost yes.
Yeah.
Almost yes. Okie dokie.
Okay.
So that's it. That's our tasting today. I'll tell you one thing. I'm pretty sure all of those pancakes are gonna be gone in 5 minutes.
I'm halfway there already.
We still have more.
They will definitely be devoured.
They will definitely be devoured.
Yes.
Especially for me.
Definitely.
Thank you for this week. This is the recipe that you should try. If you're craving pancake and you are on keto, you will enjoy it. So, see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook for the full recipe.
Yeah.
But I think for texture.
Yeah. Sorry. Itchy, yeah. That was with the kiss.
And good.